Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson. Now in this video, we'll be looking at this project called ARK Finance, okay? Or you can also call it ARK Fi. Now it's a project that I've actually been looking at for quite some time now. Um, and it just occurred to me that I should go into this project because I see that the project actually has some potentials of sustainability. So I have decided to come into this project. Okay. Now, ARK Finance is actually a project that pays 2% daily. If you come to Binance, you can see the progression of the project. You can see from 18th, it's been going up. Okay. So that goes to tell you that the project is not even losing momentum. Instead, it's growing stronger by the day. You can see as of today, you can see the project is growing stronger. Okay. Now, if you come up here now, you can see the price of each of the coin. Okay, is presently 5.72 BUSD. Okay. Now you can see their liquidity here over 754 BUSD. You can see the vaults. Okay, the total vault account is over 2,000. Okay, 2,669. Right, you can see the market cap here. Okay, so basically what this ecosystem have in place is that they have this vault system which enables you to actually earn 2%, like I said rightly, and they also have this foundation and they have NFT. Okay, at the pre-launch of this project, their NFT was in short, it was sold out. Okay, so presently now is now on their coin, right? So people that bought the NFT, then they were able to exchange it for the coin, okay, which is the ARK coin, right? So presently now the coin is 5.72 worth of BUSD. So I'm not going to be wasting much time on the other part of the ecosystem. We're going to be looking at basically the vaults. Okay, now this is the vault that I'm much interested in, and I believe that you also will be much interested in it because it's the one that gives you the opportunity to earn up to 2% daily. Okay, so this is the vault. As you can see here, like I rightly told you, daily reward is 2% here. Okay. Personally, I came in with 10.53 ARK, okay, which is the coin of the project, okay. But now, for you to know the value of this ARK, you can see up here, there's a toggle here between ARK and BU and USD, okay. So if I toggle here now, you see that the value of that ARK of 10.5 is actually 60.20 BUSD. So I came in with this amount, okay. And in short, I've taken yesterday, I had to recompound. You can see there's a timer here that tells you when, because it's 24-hour cycle. Either you take out your reward or you compound or you airdrop it. Okay, so I did that about let's say 13 hours ago. Okay, so I'm still waiting for that. So if you come down here, you're going to see, you can see I compounded this 1 BUSD and this is deposited amount I made yesterday, which is this 60.23 BUSD. Okay, so I'm just going to show you, in short, I'm going to be making another live deposit, okay, of purchasing the ARK coin. Then I'm going to be earning 2% on it. Okay, so what you need to do is this: basically, after you come into this project, is that every 24 hours is either you take out your reward, or you can decide to say, okay, fine, you want to compound, you choose any percentage you want to compound there, you choose the percentage you want to withdraw, and you choose the percentage if you have anybody you want to make a drop to. Or if you decide to, you want to take your withdrawal, like I always encourage, you can draw it to 100% and you click on withdraw, and you're going to go directly into your wallet, your MetaMask wallet. So first and foremost, make sure that you connect your MetaMask wallet to this dApp, okay? So my wallet is already connected, so I'm going to go to swap here, okay? So I'm going to click, when I click on this swap, it's going to take me to the swap interface. Okay, so when it brings me to this swap interface here, okay, you can see presently I have about 51 BUSD in my MetaMask. Okay, this is only showing here because I've connected my MetaMask already. Okay, and you can see the ARK price, like I rightly told you earlier, is 5.72 BUSD. Okay, so I would actually want to buy more ARK. Okay, so I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on max here. Okay, you can see this 51 BUSD. I click on this max here. Okay, so it came up here. So I'm going to be getting 7.74 ARK. Okay, so as soon as I click this approve, automatically the fund, the ARK is going to go into this vault that I showed you earlier, and I'll begin to earn 2% automatically. Okay, so is either you come into this project with ARK, okay, with the ARK token, or you come in with BUSD. But in most cases, people come with BUSD because it's more easier for you to actually deposit into your MetaMask. So I deposited BUSD into my MetaMask, and I'll be using it to buy this ARK. Okay, so let's quickly buy this 7.74 ARK here. So I'm going to click on approve here. So it's going to connect to my MetaMask. So after connecting to my MetaMask, you're going to see the fee that I'm to pay here. Just make sure that you have some BNB, okay, in your MetaMask that you'll be using as gas fee, okay? So now I'm going to approve, go and click on confirm to approve the transaction. So you can see up here now, I no longer have the BUSD here, okay? The BUSD has gone off here. So which means that my transaction has actually gone through. So I'm going to go to the vault to confirm the transaction. So you can see here now that my number of ARK has actually increased, because initially it was just 10.53, but you can see now it's 18.53. And if we click on this toggle up here again, it's going to show us the value. You can see the value in BUSD is now 104 BUSD, okay? Now, at every 24 hours, I'm expected to take an action, either to compound, like I rightly say, withdraw or airdrop, okay? Now, all these are put in place just to guide against any kind of whales coming into this project and begin to cause the project all kinds of problem, okay? So you must make sure within 24 hours, you take an action on your project or your deposit, okay? So there's something I want us to look at, which is the audit of this particular project. I discovered that the project was actually audited by CETIC, and the result of that audit for me, I think is comparably okay. Okay, we're going to click on this audit here. Now I click on this audit here. It's going to bring you up here. Okay, when you click on that audit, it's going to bring you up here. Now you can see audited by CETIC here, right? You see that it's edited by CETIC. Then when you click on this, let's go and read the audit reports of CETIC concerning this project. Okay, so we're going to scroll down here, and you see unresolved issues. When the project was, I believe when the contract was actually given to CETIC, they actually looked at some problem. They found some problem with the contract, and they pointed it out to ARK Finance, and I believe it was resolved. So presently now, if you see it, they say there's no unresolved issue here. Okay. Okay, so they discovered about 14 issues, and eventually they were resolved. Okay, so I think this project is something that is worth looking at. Okay, and I always advise you to look at the white paper of this project before you come into this project. Make sure you read the white paper and you also do your own due diligence. Okay, because I'm making this video just to show you what I invest in, to show you about projects that you might be interested in. But having said that, I'm not a financial advisor. So that's the reason why I'll always advise you to do your own research, okay? And also, one thing I want you to understand about this project is a return on investment kind of a project, okay? So you are expected to take up to 300% of your total sum of investment, okay? As if you max out your 300%, then automatically you can no longer take profits on this project, except you recompound or except you put in new fund into this project, okay? So these are the things I want you to understand about this project. Just go ahead. I'm going to be dropping a link right below this video. Okay, you can click on that link and it will bring you up into this project, and you get to see things for yourself and look at it if it is something that is worth your penny. Okay, but for now, the project is running very well, and I believe it will continue to run well. Okay, I want to believe you got value from this video, right? If you got value from this video, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, okay? And if you've not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And also, one thing that is very important is this. Remember to click that bell button, okay? So that when next I drop another video, you get to be the first to see the video, okay? I'm going to be making subsequent videos about this particular project, this ARK Finance. As soon as I accrue some money for withdrawal, I'm going to do a live withdrawal so that you guys will see how the project is actually going, okay? Thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Do take care of yourself, and bye-bye.